Hi everyone, and welcome to the Pinspiration Collaboration 2020 for the month of February. We post our videos the last Saturday of every month. This is hosted by me, and I will have the links to all the collaborators in the description box below, so please check them out, like their videos, subscribe, click on that little bell so you know when everybody uploads their videos. And we upload, like I said, the last Saturday of every month at noon. And the purpose of this is to use those pins that we have saved on Pinterest. So the pin that I have decided to use this time, that I got inspiration from, is from Brigitte Keeling. I think I'm saying her last name right. And she is, I'm not sure where she's from. I do know that the video that I watched was not in English, but I kind of tweaked what I thought the measurements were because she did the measurements in centimeters. And again, it's not English. I'm not really sure where she is from, but I loved the little box that she created. So what I've done is, like I said, I tweaked the measurements, and I'm actually going to show you how I made the box. I'm not going to decorate the box or anything, but I will show you how I made this. And I think it's a really super cute little box. And my box measures, let's see, 6.5 by 1 3/4. I think it's really super cute. It has a little closing mechanism here. I papered this with, I can't think of the name. I think it's Kaiser Craft paper. I'm really not sure. It's some scraps that I had, but I thought that they were really pretty. I have some Wild Orchid Craft flowers on the top. I put some kind of like Chinese braid on the front with a little flat back pearl button. And I think it's really super, super cute. It does have a magnet closure. And what I like about this little box is that they fold flat. So without the decorations, you can make a bunch of these to have on hand that will actually fold flat, but when you put them together, they make a super cute little box. And I did ink the edges of the paper and the box with walnut stain distress ink. And what else did I do to the box? I think that's about it, but I really like how this little cute box turned out. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So what you're going to need is your scoreboard, and you're going to need a piece of cardstock measured at 8 by 11. And then what we're going to do is you're going to put it in on the 8-inch side, and you're going to score at 1 3/4, 3 1/2, 5 1/4, and 7. And then you're going to rotate it, and on both sides you're going to score at 1/2 inch and 2 1/4 inches. So rotate it again, 1/2 inch and 2 1/4. And that's all the scoring. So then we do have to remove some pieces. And the pieces that we have to remove, when you're looking at this, you see the small section here that was scored. You're going to remove all of this and all of this. Then we're also going to remove this piece, here, and here. So let's go ahead and we will remove all those. Okay, so now that we have removed all those pieces, then what we have to do is we do have to do a little bit more scoring. And where we have to score is going to be, sorry about that, are these four corners here. And where you're going to score them is you're going to score from this corner to this corner. So you're going to score from here to here on each of these four pieces. Okay. This is a really simple and easy and actually kind of very fast little box to put together. So then all we're going to do is we're going to score, fold on our score lines. Just like that. And then I rounded on my little box, I rounded the edges here for the lid, and I also rounded the edges on the little flaps on the inside. So to get so that this box will fold like this, what we have to do is we take this and we're going to fold it this way. We're going to take our corner and we're going to fold this to here, just like this, on each one of the corners. You're just going to fold it up and meet it on the edge. Then you're going to take this side and you're going to do the same exact thing. And then we do the same here. We're going to fold it like this, and then we're going to fold it up and then just crease on the inside, and then again on the other side. And then you have, whoops, your little box, just like that. And then what you're going to do on here is you're going to glue this part here down on each of these corners. So you're going to glue the inside corner on each side and then press that down, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Let that set for just a second. You're going to really want to let it set before you close the box up, because you don't want them corners to come up. And then when you pull the sides up, you've got your little box, just like that. And it's quick and simple. And what I like about these is they will fold flat, just like that. So that way I can decorate them with paper and then just leave them flat. And when I need a cute little box, I can bring it out and decorate it up with my paper and my embellishments. I want to thank you for joining me today. And like I said, please check out all the other participants in the collaboration. And have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.